Hi guys, in this video we will see how to fix another instance is running error message on your Windows 11 and Windows 10. And to fix this issue, the first and initial workaround is restart your system. Sometimes a simple restart can resolve various major and minor issue of your system. So you must restart your system. After that, check whether your error message still appear or not. If not fixed, then go to the next fixes, open Windows settings page, click on settings, and here from the left side go to apps, click on installed apps from the right side of setting page, and here go to the app which having error message appeared. So simply you may search that app, and if you found, for example, this app, and click on three horizontal dot against this app and choose advanced options. Simply scroll down and you will find the option reset. If this app is not working right, we can try to repair it. The app's data would not be affected. So first choose repair and let the window complete the process. It will take few seconds. And if this app still is not working right, reset it. The app's data will be deleted. So if repair cannot does not fix your issue, then reset app. And once repair and resetting both does not fix your issue, then uninstall app and reinstall a fresh version of that particular app which having error message you are receiving. After that, restart your system. The more other workaround also available. You can try it. Open settings page again, and from the left side go to Windows Update. Here click on check for updates, or if any updates available, simply download and install it in your system. Thereafter scroll down and click on advanced options. Here scroll down and choose optional updates. Click on it, and here also if any optional driver update available, download and install it in your system. Sometimes outdated operating system or outdated drivers may be a cause of various type of apps not working properly, or such type of error message appear on your screen. The next workaround is right click on start button and choose run. In run dialog box, type temporary and click on OK. All your temporary files open here. Simply press Ctrl plus A to select all temporary files and delete it. Clear temporary files from your system. The one more command to clear temporary files is again go to run command box and here type percent temp and again percent and click on OK. And same process, press Ctrl plus A to select all files and folders and choose delete. Clear your temporary files from your system. This action may be helpful to fix such type of error message appear against any app of your system. And after that, check whether your error resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Go to Windows search and type cmd and open command prompt Windows run as administrator mode. In command prompt Windows, execute the DISM tool as shown on a screen. Execute these three DISM tools one by one: DISM online scan health, DISM online check health, and DISM online restore health. Execute all these three commands one by one, followed by enter key on each time. And once successfully execution of DISM tool, execute the command sfc/scan now. It will scan your system for any corrupted files and repair them accordingly. Wait till 100% verification complete. After that, don't forget to restart your system and check whether your another instance is running error message still appearing or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Again, open run dialog box and type msconfig. Clean boot your system, msconfig, and click on OK. This command will open system configuration windows on your system. And in system configuration window, go to services tab from the top menu bar and make the check against option hide all Microsoft services from bottom left corner, and click on disable all from the bottom right corner. And thereafter go to a startup tab from the top menu bar and open task manager. All the startup apps will visible here. Go for each app startup apps and look for any enabled startup app. If you found any enabled startup app, then simply right click on it and manually disable it. Apply this process for all the enabled startup app in your system. Thereafter close the window and click on apply and OK to save the changes. Restart your system and check whether your error is resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes, reset this PC. Right click on the start button, choose settings. Here from the left side, go to system settings. Thereafter go to right side, you will find the option recovery. Click on recovery. Here scroll down and you will find the option reset this PC. Click on reset PC. Keep my files, remove apps and settings, but keeps your personal files. Choose first option, keep my files, and getting things ready. This would not take time. Current settings, restore apps and settings which came with this PC. Click on next and follow on-screen instruction to complete the resetting this PC feature. After that, your problem will definitely be resolved. That's all.